Hello there, my name is Chance and thank you so much for servicing with us. If you've been sent this video, odds are your vehicle could greatly benefit from a battery service. When it comes to vehicular maintenance, the spotlight often falls on engine performance, oil changes, and tire care. However, one crucial component that is often overlooked is the vehicle's battery. Ensuring that your car battery is in optimal condition through regular servicing and cleaning is vital for the overall health and reliability of your vehicle. Here's why maintaining your battery should be a priority. Ensuring reliable performance. The battery is the heart of your vehicle's electrical system. It powers the starter motor, ignition system, and other electrical components, ensuring your car starts and runs smoothly. A well-maintained battery can consistently deliver the necessary power to start the engine, even in extreme weather conditions. Regular servicing helps in identifying and addressing potential issues before they lead to a breakdown. Extending battery life. Regular maintenance, including cleaning the battery terminals and checking electrolyte levels, can significantly extend the lifespan of your car battery. Corrosion buildup on the terminals can impede the flow of electricity, leading to starting issues and reducing the battery's efficiency. By cleaning the terminals and ensuring they are free from corrosion, you can maintain a good connection and enhance the battery's performance. Preventing costly repairs. Neglecting battery maintenance can lead to a series of electrical problems in your vehicle. A failing battery can cause damage to other electrical components, such as the alternator and starter motor, resulting in expensive repairs. Regularly servicing and cleaning the battery can prevent such issues, saving you from unexpected repair costs and ensuring your vehicle remains in good working condition. Enhancing safety. A poorly maintained battery can lead to dangerous situations, such as stalling in traffic or being stranded in an inconvenient location. Additionally, corrosion and leaks can pose safety hazards. Regular inspections and cleaning can help identify potential risks and mitigate them, ensuring your safety and the safety of others on the road. And lastly, improving fuel efficiency. A well-maintained battery ensures that the electrical system operates efficiently, which can have a positive impact on your vehicle's fuel consumption. When the battery is in good condition, the alternator does not have to work as hard to keep it charged, reducing the load on the engine and improving overall fuel efficiency. Now let's break down the processes that we use to maintain your car battery. Regular inspections. We check the battery for signs of wear and tear, such as cracks, leaks, or bulges, ensuring that the terminals are clean and free from corrosion. Cleaning the terminals. We use a mixture similar to baking soda and water to clean the terminals. A wire brush can also be used in extreme situations to help remove all of that buildup, and this ensures that the connectors are tight and secure. Checking electrolyte levels. If your battery has removable caps, we can check the electrolyte levels and top up with distilled water if necessary, avoiding overfilling. We also test battery health. We do this by using a voltmeter or battery tester to check the voltage and overall health of the battery. And finally, we secure the mounting. This ensures the battery is securely mounted in its tray and prevents vibration and potential damage. In conclusion, battery servicing and cleaning are essential aspects of vehicular maintenance that should not be overlooked. Regular attention to your car's battery can enhance its performance, extend its lifespan, and prevent costly repairs, while at the same time improving safety and boosting fuel efficiency. Make it a habit to include battery checks in your routine whenever you get your vehicle serviced, and as a result, you'll enjoy a more reliable and efficient driving experience. As far as frequency goes, at my particular location, I generally recommend a battery service about once a year, typically right before winter there. This helps my customers have the peace of mind needed to know that throughout the winter season, their odds of having no start issues as a result of a battery failure are significantly lowered. Granted, your particular climate or circumstances may differ, but I know that's what works for my clientele. Ultimately, this may also shift based on the make and model of vehicle you have, so do trust your service advisor's recommendations. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this vehicle. If you'd like us to move forward with this work, please let us know straight away and we'd be more than happy to take care of it for you. This video is meant solely for my own personal use, as well as if any other service advisor wants to take it upon themselves to improve at their trade. If you're a customer who has been sent this by somebody other than myself, please let me know down beneath where you heard it from. If for whatever reason I am able to sell my coursework to that particular mechanical shop, I'd be more than happy to cut you in. Just reach out to me through either the comment section or the email on my channel, and I'd be more than happy to help you out.